All right, hi guys. So I got some new colors today. Got some pure white, got some light blue, and I got this silver gray, and I got wine red. So we're going to do a 4-color pour inside of a dish tray. So let me open up my pigments, get them mixed up. I already pre-mixed the resin, so I didn't have to do that on camera. We're going to just get the pigment mixed in. All right, white. We'll do a red. I really like this mica powder. I've gotten it off Amazon. I've had no issues with it. It's fairly reasonably priced, and you get a decent amount for what you pay for. And they're very shiny. All right, so we got those two. We'll do a light blue. This will be a quick little video today. That all stirred up. Put 60 grams in each cup. So I use 2-part epoxy, so 30 of each. Now this silver gray is a new color to me. I've never used it. So this is a first. Let's see what it looks like. Getting it all over the place. Make sure you're wearing a mask or have a fan going to make sure that you're not breathing it in. I have a fan in the background. It sucks everything out, and I also have a fan that keeps the room nice and cool. All right, so I have this cup here that I'm going to pour my resin into. Got this off Temu. It's a 4-color cup. I've used the 3-color one. This is the first time I've used the 4-color one. And I like the way the last one turned out with the 3-color, so I figured I'd try the 4-color. I have a little extra in each cup just in case I need more. We'll take that, put that off to the side, grab our mold, and then just pour away. Let it do its thing. Keep going back and forth. Nothing special, just some crazy spinning designs. Refill my cup. The cool thing is you never know what it's going to turn out to look like. Pretty neat colors going on here. Still have a little room left, so I'll probably just use what's left in the plastic cups. Just kind of drizzle that around just to use it up. I mean, you can go in with a stick too, and you can swirl it around and make your own patterns, or you can just let the resin do its own thing. I find sometimes letting the resin do its own thing, you get really unique patterns, things that you wouldn't expect. So swirl it around, keep going until it's full. Well, like I said too, you can also take your stick and, you know, swirl it around. I don't normally do that, but I think I will with this one. Let's just get this last little bit. And what we'll do is we will let that dry. What we'll do is we'll let that dry and we will demold it in 24 hours. So I will see you then. All right, guys, so we're back. This has been curing for 24 hours. I forgot to use my lighter to pop the bubbles on it, but it is what it is. So let's demold and see what we got. Remember, I used 4 different colors in this one. So, all right. I really like the way this one turned out. No bubbles. I like the patterns. So if you like this one, please let me know. Please like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys for the next one.